Let's go here. 92 the high today. The normal's 89. Low this morning, perfect. Just like me, Morgan. 70 this morning. 70 is the normal. So the record high this time of the year, we're getting close, people. 92 is not bad. 104 is the record. That was set back in 1910. The low, 52, set back in the early 1900s as well. Right now, 89. That's the temperature at DFW. Feels like 91. Pretty humid outside. Winds are out of the south at 13, bringing in Gulf moisture, priming the atmosphere for a pretty good rain chance this weekend. Right now, though, we're quiet across North Texas, minus a sprinkle or two east of Dallas. That's it. But we go off to the northwest. Look at this. This is actually great, minus the severe risk, which we do have a couple of severe storms out in the Panhandle and portions of West Texas. However, this very heavy rain is hitting some pretty drought-stricken areas. So that's good, minus, again, the severe risk. This complex of storms, like it has over the last few weeks, what it'll do is it'll start to move to the southeast and start dissipating as it does. It does move in our direction. Western portions of North Texas have a much better chance to see rain tonight compared to the Metroplex and certainly compared to eastern portions of the area. So this is 11 p.m. Wichita Falls down through Breckenridge. By midnight, you see how it's already starting to kind of fizzle out a little bit? It loses intensity by midnight, but it'll be near Jack and Palo Pinto counties. Moving down through Stephenville, then at 1, you can see how it even loses more intensity. Bowie, Decatur, down through Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Granbury. At 2 o'clock, it's moving into the Metroplex, and by that time, it's just a few hit-and-miss showers or storms. Certainly nothing severe for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Maybe some gusty winds in western portions of North Texas. Then, Saturday morning, most of us are dry in the morning, but then as we head into the midday and afternoon, take a look. You see how we start to develop more showers and storms. These will be pretty widely scattered, and especially in the northeastern portion of North Texas. These will also be very slow movers. While we're not expecting much severe weather risk, maybe some gusty winds here or there, some large hail, it's really going to downpour in some areas. It's impossible to say exactly where, but if you find yourself under one of these thunderstorms, it could be a prolonged period of time, and there could be an isolated flash flooding risk because of that. So there's 4 and 5 o'clock, there's 6. You see how we're scattered across the area. Again, highest coverage, northeastern portions of North Texas on Saturday. Lower coverage to the southwest, 20 to 30% coverage there, 40 to 50 for most of the area. Again, highest coverage here. However, even though the highest coverage is northeast, the risk to see a strong or severe thunderstorm, even though it would be isolated in the western portions of North Texas. And it does include parts of the Metroplex, some quarter-size hail possible or a 60-mile-per-hour gust can't be ruled out. Saturday night, we look dry. Sunday, we start off with just a couple of showers, and then as we head into the afternoon again, we'll bubble up more showers and storms, this time more widespread. So this is 3 o'clock, and then areas that we're kind of missing out on Saturday, we'll see a better chance Sunday. Some of that rain, again, will be heavy. These will be slow moving, so whoever finds themselves under one of these thunderstorms could pick up a good amount of rain in a short period of time. There's 8 p.m., there's 9, and it starts to calm down a little bit by Sunday night with lingering showers. So there's the coverage Sunday, highest coverage to the southwest. On average, ½ inch to an inch for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, higher totals to the southwest. Locally, higher amounts expected because of how slow moving these will be. Tonight, a few storms, mainly west, warm, muggy, and breezy, 72. Tomorrow, scattered storms, some heavy, warm and humid, 88. There's the next 10 days. Looks like June. You know why? Why? It's June.
Oh, okay.